Hey, my name is Carlos Rios, and this is Common Hardware Problems and How to Solve Them. This is about frequent problems that we have solving hardware issues, be it cables that come disconnected, be it power issues, be it device driver issues, be it anything of that sort of a nature that can be a common hardware issue that we need to find ourselves solving. This is what this PowerPoint presentation is about. And so come with me as I show you some things, some common problems and some common issues and some common fixes for all these things. All right, so some common issues. Computer isn't displaying images correctly. Computer is overheating. There's loose or faulty cable connections. The extra screen is not on. We have computer running slow because of, updates and stuff like that. Common issues: peripherals not working correctly. By peripherals, I mean mouses, keyboards, speakers, microphones, anything like that. So those are common issues that we have. Troubleshooting steps. There are some steps that you can take. These are not part of a numbered list, which is on the next slide. But these are some common steps that you could take. You could check the cables. You could check the power supply. You could check the RAM if it's seated correctly. You can check the video card. You can check to see if the PC fan is perhaps dusty. You can check other computers in the area to see if they have similar problems. You could check, you can run hardware diagnostics to see what the problem may be. Those are the kind of things that you can check. I think the most common things that people need to check is wires. They need to check power supply, and they need to check computers around them to see if other computers are experiencing the same types of problems. All right, so this is the numbered list. So on the screen, you see that there is a screen with the blue screen on it. This is a common problem that happens when you're trying to install a new screen onto, say, a laptop or a PC or anything like that. And what happens is sometimes people don't connect the cables properly. So the first thing I would have you check is the cable on both the screen that you're trying to install and on the laptop or PC that you're trying to connect it to. If that is working in good order, I would check if the computer is in sleep mode. This is overlooked a lot of times. If that's in working order, I would then check if the input is correct. Is it on the HDMI? Is it on VGA? Is it on DisplayPort? Is it on any of those things? Is it on one of those in the first place? Does your PC have the ability to add another screen? You can check your display settings and see that, is the screen being detected in the first place? That's another thing that you could do that I think I forgot to add this numbered list here, but it's also a good option to do. So those are things that you could do. You can also check the video card, the graphics card. Now, if you are going to go inside and mess with any of the components inside, I would advise you to be grounded so that you don't cause an electric shock to any of the inside components of your computer, causing damage to it. And if you need some help, I would definitely look up the specs for the computer that you're working with so that you know exactly what you're doing as you go inside of a computer. Okay, because that is a very different ballpark. I think that I would also test a different port and a different cable to see if the cable itself is the issue. Sometimes with these kind of issues, especially with the blue screen problem here, people don't think, maybe it's the cable that I'm using itself. People don't think about that. And so these are just some common solutions to the problems that to this problem. And and there are many other common solutions to many other problems, but this is the one that I tackled today. And thank you so much for joining me here today.